Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako si Dwayne. Ito ang diwata kong kasama na si Shanta. Dito tayo ngayon sa Newport Mall, Resorts World. Yeah! Alright, sa araw na to, magsa-celebrate po tayo ng Independence Day sa Pilipinas.
Bakit Pilipino ka ba?
Feeling Filipino. Feeling Pinoy. Alright, so kahit 100% Australian ako, para sa Independence Day na to, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumain bilang isang Filipino. We're gonna try all these restaurants, Filipino restaurants in Newport Mall, Resorts World.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go.
Hi! Nandito na tayo sa Kusina. Ang Kusina nasa Hilton. O, di ba sa shop?
Kusina Hilton. Sosyal. Yan ang unang restaurant natin for today. Okay, so the chef here at Kusina Hilton is serving us their specialty dish. Sama ko ngayon si Chef Pat. Okay, siya yung head chef dito. Chef Pat, can you explain what this dish is?
This is kare-kare, no? It's a special, it's my family specialty and heirloom recipe from my grandmother. Stang mani at malagkit na bigas. At talagang puro siya, walang vetsin, walang ano. Our family, galing kaming Pampanga.
Pampanga. Kaya pala. So to eat like a true Filipino, you always need to have rice. Filipinos eat rice pretty much for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's a word called ulam in Tagalog, which means the thing you eat with your rice. Ang ulam po natin ngayon ay kare-kare. A secret recipe by Chef Pat from Pampanga. Dito lang sa Hilton. Kare-kare, taste test one. It's so good. Mani nam-nam, sobra.
Like a star, you got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go.
Okay, ito na siya. Kare-kareng alimango. Kakainin natin ito. Okay? Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumain ng alimango like a Filipino. Alright, so here we are. This is what you need to eat crab. First of all, you need a rock, a smooth rock to smash the crab shell open, okay? Also, I recommend you wear gloves, alright? Use a tool like this, a little picking tool to get all the meat. Yung laman niya, ayan, ito yung gagamitin natin. Alright, here we go, smashing the crab claw open. Ayan, okay. So we've broken off the crab claw, and we pick apart all the bits and pieces. Yun! Daming laman, oh. Oh, diba? This is what we're going to be eating, okay? You don't eat the crab shell, you eat what's inside the crab shell, yeah? It's muscles. This is our picking tool to eat the crab meat. And ganyan. Yun, and then you just put it on your plate. But for me, it's kind of easier. Pag kamay na lang. So all you do is rip out the crab meat like that and go for it. Sarap pa.
I really wanna walk you down the aisle, put a ring on you.
Restaurant number 3 at Recipes. Alright, Filipino restaurants. So we're eating at all Filipino restaurants today. Ito ang pangatlo na. Pag Filipino ka, paunahin mo ang babae. Okay, siya muna ang kukuha. Kahit kanina hindi natin ginawa. Our recipe for today is sweet and sour pork belly. Eto na, umabot na tayo sa last piece. Ayun, isang piraso lang ang natira. So, the question is, who gets to eat the last piece? Sa Filipino culture, everyone is too shy to eat the last piece. Sige ka na, sa'yo na yan.
Hindi, okay lang. Sa'yo na.
Hindi okay lang. Busog na ako.
Ako, busog na ako. Sa'yo.
May pacho na nga ako eh. Ikaw na.
Hindi, okay lang talaga. Sa'yo na talaga.
Our next restaurant, our 4th restaurant is here at Pedro and Koi. Hey! In Filipino culture, they'll take any excuse for a celebration to eat out. Okay, any excuse whatsoever. So Shanta and I are going to make a few excuses of why we should eat out, or aka kain sa labas.
Tatay, 100 ako sa test namin. Kaya kain tayo sa labas.
Beb, Matagal na kitang niniligawan. Tayo na ba?
Sige na nga, tayo na.
Yehey! Kain tayo sa labas. Naging parker ako sa jeepney. Kain tayo sa labas.
Ay, salamat. Natuyo na yung labada ko. Tara, kain tayo sa labas.
We're gonna try Pedro and Koy's sizzling sisig. Talaga. Sizzling sisig!
Nagulat ako.
Ayun,
Nagulat
salamat.
ako.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Next restaurant, next lesson here in Lumu, Filipino kitchen. In this lecture, we're gonna teach you how to eat with a spoon and a fork. Kasi dun sa bansa namin, fork and knife lang or fork lang. Pag dinner, pag dessert, kutsara na. Kare-kare pa more. Yun. First of all, if something on your plate is too big to fit in your mouth, you use your spoon as a knife. Ganito siya, okay? Use the side of the spoon to cut it into pieces to make it easier to eat. Is you use the spoon like a shovel. First of all, you dig into the food and use your fork to push the food onto the spoon. It's genius. This is called choco bagoong. Bagoong is like shrimp paste, so you could call this chocolate shrimp paste. You mix the bagoong with your food. Here we are at our final stop dito sa Bolahan. Ayan. Alright, in this section, we're gonna show you how to eat Filipino street food. So pag kumakain tayo ng fishbowl, may iba't ibang choices tayo. Mahilig ang Filipino sa mga sauces. So meron tayo dito, iba't ibang lasa na sauce. Iba't ibang klaseng sauce. We have a sweet sauce here, followed by suka. After that, here we have, ano to kuya? With a mix of sweet and maanghang. Ayan. Followed by, syempre, chili, sweet chili. Pwede mo ilagay ang sauce dito sa maliit na cup, maliit na baso. Ayan. Alright, and then sausaw lang. Or you can tip the entire thing over your fish ball, pork ball, or lobster ball. Ayan. So para sa akin, sweet tooth ako. Mahilig ako sa sweet. We're gonna put it over the pork ball. Ayan. Pork ball. Perfect. Then all you do is stab the pork ball, shove it in your mouth. Dali lang kasi bite-size to eh. Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa vlog na to. At syempre, Happy Independence Day sa inyong lahat. Kita-kits sa sunod na video namin. Ayan, hopefully, now you know how to eat like a Filipino. Yon, Wanta Fam out.
You're beautiful.